میں اپنے پروگرام کو اب اپنے مقصد اصلی کی طرف لیے چلتا ہوں، اور میرا مقصد اصلی یہ ہے کہ میں پہلے اپنے ڈپارٹمنٹ آف عربک کا تعارف مختصر انداز میں کراؤں۔ تو آئیے اس تعارف کو پیش کرنے کے لیے میں عزیزم محمد دانیال کو اس شعر کے ساتھ دعوت سخن دیتا ہوں۔ یہی سن کر تو صحرا میں بگولے رقص کرتے ہیں، یہی سن کر تو صحرا میں بگولے رقص کرتے ہیں، اٹھی تھی جو سمندر سے گھٹائیں راستے میں ہیں، بہت نزدیک شاید اب ہے منزل خود شناسی کی، بہت نزدیک شاید اب ہے منزل خود شناسی کی، یہاں بکھری ہوئی ہر سو قبائیں راستے میں ہیں، زمین سے عرش کا لمبا سفر کچھ وقت تو لے گا، زمین سے عرش کا لمبا سفر کچھ وقت تو لے گا، ذرا سا صبر کر تیری دعائیں راستے میں ہیں۔ عزیزم محمد دانیال صاحب کا
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم، نحمدہ و نصلی علی رسولہ الکریم۔ Respected Head of the Department, Professor Ashfaq Ahmed sir, Professor Wazir Hassan sir, Professor Qamar Shaban sir, and all other teachers and attendees, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is my good fortune to have an opportunity to give a short introduction to the Department of Arabic, Faculty of Arts, Banaras Hindu University. The Department of Arabic, Faculty of Arts, Banaras Hindu University was established in 1917, 1 year after the establishment of the university. The Arabic teaching formally began in 1970 with a single teacher, Mirza Muhammad Hassan Faiz Banarsi. In 1920, Maulvi Mahesh Prasad joined the department and continued teaching until his retirement in 1951. In 1973 is what trifurcated, and hence the department became independent from Urdu and Persian. And Professor Badrul Hassan Abidi was appointed the first head of the department. Among the prominent teachers who taught in the department were Professor Nasima Faruqi, Professor Imran Raza, Professor Abu Hatim Khan, and Professor Badruddin Al-Hafiz. Currently, Professor Ashfaq Ahmed, Professor Dr. Muhammad Rehan, and Dr. Qamar Shaban are teaching in the department. The department offered PhD program, MA, BA Honours in Arabic, BA Honours in Arab Culture, 4 semester PG and UG diplomas, and 1 year certificate course. It has thoroughly revised its syllabus in 2019 and has come into effect from July 2019. The Arabic syllabus has revised, redesigned in such a way that the graduates of the department get through knowledge of the Arabic language and literature of different periods, means pre-Islamic to modern period. To enable the learner get job in various public and private sectors, translation from Arabic into English and vice versa has been introduced. At the end, I thank all my teachers that they are always ready for the development of the department, and I pray to Allah that this department keep developing day by day. Thank you for listening. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.